NEET, JEE, CUET aspirants, listen closely. The NTA has a syllabus secret they won't fully admit. But an RTR reply and coaching giants reveal the simple truth you need to know to score high. So, are NEET, JEE main based on NCERT books? Why NTA won't say clearly? We at Careers 360 have covered this particular news and let's talk about it. Over the last few years, students litigating exam answer keys has practically become a ritual. This is especially true of the highly competitive joint entrance examination main, JEE main, for engineering and NEET for undergraduate medical admissions. Moving ahead, petitioners often cite that National Council for Educational Research and Training and other state textbooks to challenge the answers and in some instances even questions set by the exam body, National Testing Agency. In each case, the testing body invariably points to the ruling of its subject experts, discounting references to the text. In fact, in a response to a plea questioning two questions in NEET UG paper in 2024, NTA unequivocally said that it doesn't prescribe any particular textbook for it and only follow the curriculum prepared by National Medical Commission. However, the question of a definitive source text or lack therefore for post high school entrance test conducted by NTA remains unresolved. In July, in a brief reply to a right to information RTI query seeking a list of reference material NTA uses to frame questions and answer keys, the body asked the applicant to refer to NCERT textbook. Okay, moving ahead, let's talk about NTA exams and the transparency. The NTA's shifting stance is a constant source of intrigue and agony for candidates. For the RTI applicant, it attests to lack of transparency and standardization at NTA. NTA was set up in 2017 as an autonomous body under the Union Education Ministry's Higher Education Department to be the sole agency for carrying out the most of the Pan-India entrance test. The agency's operations have constantly been under scrutiny, with things coming to a boil last year when the NEET 2024 exam was embroiled in widespread claims of paper leaks, errors and mismanagement. Now, if I just talk about for the politics of standardized tests, so the dichotomy between the test prep coaches and trainees who treat NCERT books as the Bible for JEE and NEET and the agency trying to distance itself from is an indicator of the politics surrounding standardized tests in the country. Ever since NEET was first brought in 2013 and reintroduced in 2016, there has been principled opposition to the exam from some states. Okay. Now, one of the key findings of the report was that post-NEET, the proportion of students from the Central Board of Secondary Education schools which follow the NCERT curriculum admitted to the MBBS program jumped from a mere 0.39% to 24.91%, while the share of successful state board candidates dropped from 32.57% to 17.26%. The committee observed a similar reversal of fortune for candidates belonging to English medium and private management schools. As per the CBSE's own data, the vast majority of its schools are private. Dear ones, the evidence is clear. Despite the NTA's shifting stance, NCERT is your ultimate lifeline for NEET, JEE and CUET. Stop wasting time on irrelevant books. Stick to the national textbooks and subscribe for more exam integrity breakdowns.